want you to, yeah.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm scary. Okay, we're neutral.
Hold the clutch, yes. That's it first. Alright. So. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh no, I need to be doing this like for 2 weeks.
Yes. This is nice and safe.
Is it still in first?
Still in first, yes.
No, I want to put it in neutral.
So it's in second. That's in third.
Wait, how?
So tap it all the way down, yeah. And then so you're gonna lightly tap up until you can. It's almost like not even full shift. Now you're good. It's not going in.
Put it like this. Grab it a little tiny bit. Too
That's
fast.
the clutch. Yes, but good. It just cuts off. Yep. Make sure you're in first. Yep. You're in first.
Yeah, but I want to put it in neutral so I can practice that.
That's definitely good. Still too low
That's
fast.
what happens when I try to drive stick.
This is good. The worst thing that can happen is you just rev it up and then you let go of the clutch. You don't realize like that's what's making it go. Always remember, when you feel like scared, pull that clutch. Squeeze and then stop. Doesn't matter what gear. Still too fast. Don't even let it go all the way here. I'll help you out.
It's not going. Okay, there we go.
There you go. That's it. So yeah, it's just gonna feel that clutch, but that's good. Woo! You're a good student too. It's a good. Woo! I've seen like grown men get on the motorcycle and they just like, and you just like, please don't do anything. Just please. Yes. Okay. Good. Yeah, a little bit. It'll be fine. It's like brand new.
I want to go fast.
It's going to be. It's like once it's
Do I need
going,
to hold the clutch?
you can let it like once it's going, you can release it. But right now we're just kind of like getting you up to where you can get in first and move forward.